What's up, everyone? Today's the day. Gonna put the diff in, axles, spacers, about it. Ooh! Dang.
Hell yeah, look at that.
Alright, you're good, because there's a Civic right there, too. Oh, shit!
Should we do the fluid first, or should we change the
Spacer?
spacers? Put the spacers on first.
I don't think there's any order that matters. Let's just fucking put the spacers on. No. We already did your fluid once. We gotta come back to this. The people need to see it. I need to see it. Alright, how long has it been?
Huh?
How long has it been since we tried this? I think we tried this Saturday. So it's been a week. And now we're here. Where's your locking lug nut? Is this it? Nope. Nope. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. Sick. It's easily noticeable now because it's scratched up. Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, that looks way better, dude.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, he's
Nah, he's not
good.
You're gonna be good.
But turning wise.
Turning wise.
You're gonna be good.
You gonna be good. Oh shit, it's pretty tight right here. Oh my.
It might actually be touching.
You're gonna be good.
Dang, you went confident. You went fucking fast. Hold on, go back. Stay there, stay there. I can't even put anything. I can't put anything. This side's good. Yeah.
Oh well.
I just remembered those aren't Justin's Blitz. Those are fresh lit, no scratch Blitz. You're really cutting?
I'm already in the car.
He is already there.
Yep, this is a camera, but I think I'm
Fucking 18. 19.
So no, zero degrees?
No, hell no.
Hell no.
We'll see. Travis gonna be mad.
Travis is gonna be mad. You're gonna have to come back to him once you cut these springs.
Yeah,
Tell him you got a G35, get my car line, yeah?
He knows your fucking car. It's not like we're strangers to do like
He
Casmont.
could have bought it.
He could have. First try with someone not on brakes. Oh!
First try, baby! Oh shit, baby. You can definitely see from the front, like where it narrows down.
Yeah, big difference. Yeah, on both sides.
Yeah, it looks about even.
Mm-hmm. Try turning. It looks a lot better.
Huh?
Looks a lot better.
Really?
It doesn't flex as much. When you full lock and just keep going back and forth.
Damn, heard a chunk already.
Is the thing lifted? The plug?
Yeah. See, look at this. Good thing.
Oh, Lord.
Good thing to change, see.
That's some chunkers.
Yeah. It's the slag, the extra slag. You ever changing your diff fluid or gear oil in your trans? Make sure you get one of these pumps. We tried doing Justin's diff without it. That shit was ass.
How'd you guys even get
We
the oil in it?
We went like this and then this and then this until it kind of went full.
You guys did it though?
Yeah, it worked. I think you had to buy one extra.
One extra cord?
Yeah.
Now we can break the seal.
Other side.
Now we can break the seal.
Yo.
Now we can break the seal.
What's going on? Cause I'm greasy? Here, break the seal.
That wasn't a satisfying move. Oh, look at all the shards. Good thing you took it all out.
Good thing I busted that Yuri. In front of my car. I'm surprised he didn't turn around.
Right? He had to have heard you.
He had to. Or seen. He had to have seen. All over the lane.
Maybe if you did it till the
Stop
the light. Yeah. Wow. You done did it. Wow. That wasn't even bad. You want to adjust your dampening?
No. I wanted to feel as soft as it possibly can. I feel like the rates are fine.
What are you at in the front?
30K?
Oh, yeah, you're good. You're in the triples.
Not my bad.
I remember
That's
that
probably
noise.
as tight as turns I'm going to be taking anyways. Like 90 degrees.
Yeah.
That's good. Damn. Watch out, bro.
It'd be a shame if he got these new Blitz.
Probably torque my wheels down, huh?
Your wheels?
My lug nuts.
I thought you did.
I got the Ooga Dogas. Should probably torque wrench it. Use a torque wrench on it.
I mean, it's just gonna click.
Yeah. Just, I mean, just for peace of mind. That's straight. I'm good.
Wow.
If Justin can rub in the MR2 the way he does, dude, no diff noise.
Wow, it's like a normal car. You don't even rub that bad. Especially going straight. Up. Oh, yeah! I usually rub there.
Oh, man.
Wait, fuck this. We should listen to static.
Copyright. Let's see what we got the radio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was normal.
That's fine. That's not even bad.
Are you saying that just because it's your car?
Yeah.
Because for me, bro.
For my standards, I'm good. I don't really care. I watch the smoking tire a lot, which makes no sense because like that's not really the kind of driving this car does. But like even on turns like this in the smoking tire, they'll be running.
Oh yeah, I've heard some of them.
They're not even like that low, so that's pretty good. Especially for the height I'm at. That's good. Heel toe the rocks. Heel toe the first.
Oh, it's a first.
Heel on the neutral.
That's on the reverse.
Yeah, I feel like after doing that diff, all the other stuff we had to do was really easy.
Yeah.
Super fast and easy.
That probably went as smooth as we could possibly get.
For the diff wise?
Yeah. Especially with just the hardships.
With our experience, yeah, that's probably as easy as it'll be.
So you're gonna put the wheel back on and see how it looks before.
Before I continue another one.
Yeah. Hopefully this solves your problem,
For what?
so you don't have to cut.
Oh, yeah.
Hope so.
Looking at that perch, where'd
it go?
It sits on the very top. That's like about 2 inches.
You think that's 2 inches? I know what 2 inches looks like.
Oh my god.
And that is not 2 inches.
Take the black over piece off.
Even on fisheye mode.
Take the black over piece off.
What is the black rubber piece gonna
Doesn't that
do?
make a leg? Oh, I see what you're
From
saying.
the
Yeah,
bottom
yeah. Mhm.
to up here, because the spring was sitting on top of here.
The spring was sitting here?
Yeah, the spring was sitting on top.
Oh.
So from the bottom to the top. That's about 2.
Dude, that's not 2 inches. Oh, that's 1.
That's an inch.
That's an inch.
Oh, well.
But that makes a big difference.
But an inch was what we kind of you were planning, kind of not. You are done for a while, because everything we've talked about,
We did.
spacers, yeah, axles.
Just gotta finish those Rezacs next, really.
Oh yeah.
And put the front bumper in. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and your front bumper, but
And the mirror.
that's small stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm vlogging here.
Hey, Dang. Come on. What makes a difference?
It's less painful with us.
Yeah. We'll gas you up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go
Ugly.
eat. Trying to get cookout.
So you put everything back,
Yeah.
so it's back to normal. Like you didn't do anything. Well, that noise is new.
Well, we'll see when I drive.
When are you getting the coils?
Within the next month for sure.
Time to discard. Y'all got it?
Hold on, let me get it. 3, 2, 1. That just dropped straight down.
Oh
my god, I'm so
Holy fuck! You suck at this.
dang.
I don't know, but it was scary.
That shit, what if it bounced back?
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, cat.
The grease cap.
Oh. What's the verdict?
He's not bad.
Jump is kind of
Huh?
hearing it jump.
Yeah, that's the best part.
It's like a if you know, you know.
Yeah.
And then if the cop don't know, he gonna know and ask you in first. This is a wrap. Later.
Long day.
Long day. What time is it? Too long. You got everything? Everything's torqued?
Yeah.
Hey, shut the fuck up. It was only 1 second.